Hello, hello friends. In last lecture, we have already started unit that is radiation. In last lecture, we have discussed about the absorptivity, reflectivity, and transmittivity. Right? These terms are obtained from the incident radiation. When a surface, the incident radiation strikes on a surface, it divides into three parts. Some part is reflected, some part is absorbed, some part is transmit. From this, then we have to discuss the black body. What is black body? The perfect black body absorb all incident radiation. That means we have alpha is equals to 1, rho is equals to 0, tau is equals to 0. This equation we have already obtained in last lecture. Alpha plus rho plus tau is equals to 1, where rho and tau for the black body is 0, so alpha is equals to 1. This is perfect black body. That means neither reflects nor transmit the radiation, right? But in practice, the perfect black body is not observed, or it is only concept, right? Then next, opaque body. What is opaque body? When no incident radiation is transmitted through the body. That means tau is equals to 0. By the equation alpha plus rho plus tau is equals to 1, where tau is equals to 0, alpha plus rho is equals to 1. It is opaque body. Solid generally do not transmit unless the material is very thin section. So next is white body. White body, what is white body? The body which reflect all incident radiation, it is called as white body. That means rho is equals to 1, tau is equals to 0, alpha is equals to 0, right? Gases such as hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen have transmittivity, right? Practically unity, right? There are two types of reflections. One is regular or specular reflection, another is diffuse reflection. I have already drawn here a diagram. This is incident radiation and this is reflection. This is incident radiation and these are the reflection, right? Then regular reflection, right? Regular reflection. What is regular reflection? The angle between the reflected beam and the normal to the surface equals the angle made by the incident radiation with the same normal, right? Means what? The angle between reflected radiation and normal, this is normal and this is angle theta. When this angle is equals to the angle between incident radiation and same normal theta, then it is called as regular reflection. What is diffuse reflection? Diffuse reflection. What is diffuse reflection? When incident beam is reflected in all direction, right? See here in this diagram, diffuse, this is incident beam and it reflects in all direction, so it is called as diffuse reflection. This question, black body, opaque body, white body, these questions will ask for short notes or 2 marks questions, right? So next, gray body. It is very important. Gray body. Gray body. If the properties alpha, rho, tau of a body assumed to be uniform, over the entire wavelength, spectrum, then such body is called gray body, right? If the properties alpha, that is absorptivity, reflectivity and transmittivity of the body assumed to be uniform over the entire wavelength, then such body is called as gray body. Gray body is also defined as gray body is also defined as the body whose absorptivity of a surface does not vary with the temperature, wavelength of incident radiation, right? Means a body whose absorptivity is not vary with the temperature and wavelength of incident radiation. That means alpha wavelength is equals to constant, right? Next, a colored body is one whose absorptivity of a surface varies with wavelength and radiation, right? Colored body, there is different body. Got it? There are, we up to this we have discussed black body, opaque body, white body, type of reflection and gray body. Then we have to discuss concept of black body. Very simple concept of black body. For this diagram, here we have to draw a simple diagram like this. See here, this is very simple diagram for this is incident radiation. This is incident radiation, right? Very simple. I'll explain this diagram, right? Okay, right. What is black body? Black body, the object which absorb the all incident radiation. This is called as black body. That means alpha is equals to 1, rho is equals to 0, tau is equals to 2. But this is only concept. No actual body is perfect black body, right? The concept of black body is an idealization with which the radiation characteristics of real bodies can be compared. This is only concept to study the other bodies. So for this concept, black body property, what are the properties of black body? It absorbs all the incident radiation, right? Next, it emits maximum amount of thermal radiation at all wavelengths. And third one is it is a diffuse emitter, right? It is diffuse emitter. Next, consider a hollow enclosure with a very small hole for passage of incident radiation as shown in figure, right? Incident radiation energy passes through the small opening. Some of energy is absorbed here, some of energy is absorbed here, right, by the inside surface, and some is reflected. This will reflected, right? After a number of such reflection, the amount of unabsorbed is extremely small and very little of the original incident energy is reflected back out of the opening. A small hole leading into cavity, right, thus acts very nearly as a black body because all incident energy entering through it gets absorbed, right? Isothermal furnace, right? इसमें क्या किया है कि एक हॉलरम लिया है, दैट इज कंसिडर हॉलो एनक्लोजर, उसको एक स्मॉल ओपनिंग दिया है, ओपनिंग से इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन आते हैं, वो क्या होता है, वहाँ पर जब इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन सरफेस के ऊपर आते हैं तब उसमें से कुछ पार्ट रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, कुछ पार्ट एब्जॉर्ब होता है।